Class 10, Chapter 12, Applications of Trigonometry, Exercise 2, or second problem. Second problem. A 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of a temple which is 30 meter in height from a point a certain distance. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the temple. Find the distance he walked towards the temple. A boy of height 1.5 meters walked towards the temple. When he walks, the angle of elevation increases. When he walks towards the temple, the angle of elevation increases from 30 degrees. Angle of elevation increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees. 30 degrees to 60 degrees. Here height of the temple is 30 meters. Height of the temple is 30 meters. But height of the boy is 1.5 meters. When he reaches, suppose height of the boy near the temple is 1.5 meters. But here height of the temple is, total height of the temple is 30 meters. But the remaining from here to here, remaining height of the temple, what we should do? We should subtract from 30. 30 minus 1.5 boy height will take out, means we'll get 28.5 meters. And what we should find means how much boy walked towards the temple. Distance walked by him. We should find this distance. Now I'll draw one rectangle. See, this forms a rectangle, and see once one right angle triangle, again another right angle triangle. I am drawing separately so that you can understand for you easily. In Hindi, एक बॉय है, उसका हाइट है 1.5 मीटर्स. यहाँ से ऊपर तक देख रहा, देखिए तो यहाँ से 30 डिग्री एंगल है. वो टेम्पल की तरफ आया तो 30 डिग्री से 60 डिग्री से एंगल इंक्रीज हो रहा. हाइट ऑफ द टेम्पल 30 मीटर्स है, मगर बॉय की हाइट 1.5 मीटर्स. यहाँ से निकाले तो रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ द टेम्पल क्या है, 30 minus 1.5 निकाले तो 28.5. ఫ్రమ్ ఇయర్ టు ఇయర్ ఈస్ 28.5 మీటర్స్. ఒక బాయ్ హైట్ ఉన్నాడు 1.5 మీటర్స్. ఇక్కడ నుండి చూస్తున్నాడు పైకి, టెంపుల్ పైకి చూస్తే 30 డిగ్రీస్. ముందుకు వస్తుంటే ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి 60 డిగ్రీస్ అవుతుంది యాంగిల్. బట్ బిల్డింగ్ హైట్ 30 మీటర్స్. ఈ బాయ్ హైట్ 30 మీటర్స్లోకి వెళ్ళి తీసేస్తే ఇక్కడ వరకు 28.5 మీటర్స్ ఉంటుంది. రిమెంబర్ ఆల్వేస్, వెన్ యూ కమ్ నియర్ టు ఎనీ object or else any temple, any tower, the angle will increase. When you go far means angle will decrease. Remember this, very very important for you. See here, this is the height of the building. Here I'll write A, here I'll write A and B. AB is the height of the building and CD is the height of the boy's height 1.5 meters. AB is the height of the building, CD is the height of the boy's height. Here angle of elevation is starting 30 degrees. When he move towards the temple, how much increase it to 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Here I'll write F. This is F I'll take. Now from this distance from here to here I'll take X. Again from here to here I'll take Y. Therefore BC is equals to X plus Y. What we should find? We should find distance walked towards the temple. This distance walked by him. This we should find. This is X we should find. Remember. Here total height of the building is 30, but boy's height is 1.5 meters. Therefore this 30 minus 1.5 meters means you'll get 28.5 meters. This from here to here is you'll get AE, right? AE is equals to 28.5 meters. Height of the temple AB is equals to 30 meters. AB is equal to 30 meters and height of the boy CD is equals to 1.5 meters and CD is equals to BE is equal to 1.5 meters. Let the distance between boy and the temple is x plus y. Let the distance walked by him is equals to x meters. Let the distance walked by him is x meters. First step, let the height of the temple is 30 meters and height of the boy is 1.5 meters. Let the distance between boy and the temple is x plus y up to here, x plus y. And let the distance walked by him is equals to x. This distance we should find. Look at the figure. Height of the temple AB is equals to 30 meters. Height of the boy CD is equal to 1.5 meters. Where CD is equals to BE is equals to 1.5 meters. Why? Because in a rectangle parallel sides are equal. This forms a rectangle. These parallel sides and these parallel sides are equal. Now let the distance between boy and the temple. Here distance between boy and the temple is x y, means x plus y. BC is equals to x plus y. Let the distance walked by him. Let the distance walked by him from here to here. Distance walked by him is x. To prove the problem, first I will take triangle AEF. Here y means here also y. Here y, EF is y and AE is 28.5. EF is y and AE is 28.5. Now one more triangle will be, one right angle triangle is AEF, another right angle triangle is AED. Here ED is equals to BC. ED is equal to x plus y, where AE is equals to 28.5. These two right angle triangles I will draw separately and I will prove the problem. See, look at this figure. In a triangle AEF, in a triangle AEF, in a triangle AEF, angle E is equal to 90 degrees. Angle E is equals to 90 degrees. AEF is a right angle triangle, right angle at E. Okay. Now here longest side is hypotenuse. Longest side is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse B side is called adjacent side. Adjacent side, and the next side is opposite side. Another side is opposite side. Now we will find tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Here theta is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore we will take tan 60. Tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees is equals to I am taking focus. Yes, focus. Tan 60 degrees is equals to opposite side by adjacent side to theta. Opposite side by adjacent side. Now here tan 60 degrees is equals to root 3. Tan 60 degrees is equals to root 3. Here opposite side is equals to AE and adjacent side is equals to EF. AB by opposite side is AE and adjacent side is EF. AE by EF. Opposite side AE and adjacent side EF. Root 3 by 1 is equals to AE. AE is equals to what value? What is the value? 28.5. AE is equals to 28.5 by EF is equals to Y. EF is equals to Y. Now by cross multiplication, here Y root 3 into Y, root 3 into Y is equals to 28.5. Now this root 3 right RHS side, transposing RHS side, multiplication quantity becomes division quantity. Therefore Y is equals to 28.5 by this root 3 you should write in the denominator place. This is equation 1. Just now we proved Y value by taking right angle triangle AEF. Now we'll take the right angle triangle AED. AED, right angle at E. Now AE is equals to 28.5 and ED is equals to BC is equals to X plus Y. Means ED is equal to X plus Y. X plus Y and 28.5 are the values. Look at the figure in a triangle AED. Angle E is equal to 90 degrees. AED is the right angle triangle. Right angle at E. In a triangle AED, angle E is equals to 90 degrees. Now this AD is the hypotenuse, longest side is the hypotenuse. Remember always, hypotenuse B side is called adjacent side and another side is opposite side. Now we will take tan theta. Theta is equal to 30 degrees, opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 30 degrees is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Here tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Remember, tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Here opposite side. What is opposite side? AE. And adjacent opposite side is AE and adjacent side is DE. Here 1 by root 3 as it is will write. And AE is equals to what? AE is equals to 28.5. In the first figure also same value, AE value in the numerator there. Now DE is equals to X plus Y, whereas in the first figure Y, but here X plus Y total. Now by cross multiplication, 1 into X plus Y is equals to 28.5 into root 3, 28.5 into root 3. Here 1 into X plus Y, 28.5 into root 3, 28.5 root 3. Since Y is equals to 28.5 root 3, 28.5 by root 3. This is we proved above from equation 1. In the place of Y, I will write this 28.5 by root 3. In the place of Y, X plus 28.5 by root 3 is equals to this 28.5 root 3 as it is you should write 28.5 into root 3. Now this 28.5 by root 3 right RHS side, multiplication quantity becomes division quantity. X is equals to this 28.5 as it is should write 28.5 into root 3 minus plus quantity becomes minus quantity when we will write RHS side. 28.5 by root 3 we should write here, but we should change the symbol. Plus quantity becomes minus quantity. Therefore minus 28.5 by root 3. Now x is equals to, here by 1 I write, here denominator value is root 3. Now 1 into root 3 means 28.5 root 3 into root 3. 28.5 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, root 3 whole square. Square root and square get cancelled. 28.5 into root 3, this root 3 will multiply means root 3 whole square. Square root square get cancelled, minus, here denominators are same, therefore numerator as it is to write 28.5. As it is we are writing 28.5 numerator as it is. Now x is equals to 28.5 into 3 only left. 28.5 into 3 minus 28.5 by root 3. Now x is equals to, here 28.5 into 3 will multiply means 85.5 will get is equals to 85.5 minus 28.5 by root 3. 28.5 into 3 will multiply means 85.5. This minus 28.5 as it is right by root 3. Now we should subtract from 85.5 minus 28.5. Subtracting means 57 will get. X is equal to 57 by root 3. X is equals to 57 by root 3. Now x is equals to 57 by root 3 into multiplying and dividing by root 3 means rationalizing with root 3. Rationalizing with root 3, this root 3 multiplying and dividing, where x is equals to 57 into root 3, 57 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 whole square, root 3 whole square. Here square root and square get cancelled. X is equals to 57 into root 3 by 3. Cancel by 3 table. 3 ones, 3 19s, 57. X is equals to 19. X is equals to 19 into root 3. Here x is equals to 19 into root 3 means 1.732 value, 1.732. Now multiply 1732 into 19. Multiply, you will multiply means what you will see 80923 32 32908 you are getting. X is equals to 32.908. Where we should write this point means remember 1 2 3 digits means left side you should count 1 2 3 digits, afterwards you should keep the point. Okay, therefore distance between, distance he walked, distance walked by him, distance walked by him is equals to 32.908 meters. 32.908 meters. See here, distance he walked from here to here is how much? X is equals to 32.908 meters from here to here. From here to here. Hence we proved.